Hello and good day. My name is Rodney Ruffin, Regional Facilities Manager with Trinity Property Consultants in Atlanta, Georgia. In keeping up with world events, we are taking precautions to be safe and healthy while maintaining your home. Let me introduce to you our self-help videos. These will be available for you to help learn simple maintenance tasks that you can apply yourself in the comfort of your own home. Today, I will show you how to reset a garbage disposal. Let's take a look. Locate and gently press the red reset button under your garbage disposal until it's pushed in all the way. Now that we reset your garbage disposal, it's time to test and make sure it works. First, let's turn on the cold water to facilitate the proper grinding action for all of the foods that are put down the drain. Next, turn on the power switch to confirm the garbage disposal is now working. Most importantly, let's keep in mind that there are some foods that should not go down the garbage disposal. In most cases, the garbage disposal gets jammed and causes the reset button to trip. Some examples of foods that should not get put down the garbage disposal are potato skins, celery, bones, coffee grounds, pastas, grease, and eggshells. I hope you found this information helpful. Please come join us next time. Until then, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe.